Hey everybody, my name is Emily. Today I'm here in Decatur at Scott Crossing again, taking you guys on a tour of an S4 unit. It's a studio apartment. It's 620 square feet. Right now I'm standing in the living room. We're about to get started at the front door. Come take a look. Right now, like I said, we are in the S4 unit here at Scott Crossing. This unit is 620 square feet for reference, and we are starting at your front door. So immediately when you walk in, you're greeted by this very long entryway. I personally enjoy this because it separates you from the hallway, gives you lots of privacy. And immediately to your right is gonna be a door that connects to your bathroom, but we'll get to that in just a second. If you wanted to keep this a private bathroom, you could easily lock off this door from the inside so nobody else has access to it. And then right here, you also have a coat closet, which is perfect for extra storage. You can never run out of storage in a studio. You can put your trash can in here, shoes, anything you want. And then as we move further into the home, right here is gonna be your water heater closet. And then right here, we have your washer and dryer. It does come in the unit already, so you don't have to bring your own, which is an added convenience. Your washer is top load, full size, and your dryer is front load, full size. They're both Whirlpool appliances. Like I said, they already come in the home. You don't have to worry about lugging yours with you. And now we are stepping into your gorgeous open floor plan. I love this apartment for a couple of reasons, starting with these windows. These windows add so much light to this home and it makes the floor plan feel so open. I love that you have the vinyl wood plank flooring throughout. It makes the home feel very sleek. Easy to clean. And then your kitchen, of course, is beautiful as well. I love off the bat that you have floor to ceiling cabinetry. That is a Northwood Ravin signature staple. This floor plan does also have a blue option as well. So right now we're in the black option, but we also do have a really, really pretty blue option for the S4 floor plan. In here, you do see that we have a Northwood Ravin signature staple, which is a wine rack, which is a really cool geometric pattern. I love it. You also have these glass cabinets for peekaboos. So if you want to maybe display cups or bowls, anything pretty in there, you have that option. You do have black quartz countertops. And like I said earlier, this does come in a blue option as well, this entire floor plan. So if maybe black isn't your thing, but blue is, definitely check that out as well. I love how big the sink is right here. It's perfect for cleaning. You have lots of room. And of course, stainless steel appliances throughout the home as well. I wanna quickly turn and show you this living room just so we touch on it. This wall is really large right here. So if you wanted to put a couch here and maybe a big area rug, or you could flip it and then maybe put a sectional and mount your TV here, you have that option. But I actually like that there's a lot of space in here because if you wanted to put a kitchen table in between these windows, you easily could. Maybe a farmhouse style bench table, you have that option in here. We are gonna look at the view last because this view is absolutely stunning. So we're gonna step into your bedroom right across this way. Before we get started, I do want to point out that you have these really awesome barn doors here. They add a lot of personality to the home. They are, of course, this matte black. So they do match the rest of the finishes in the home. But if you wanted to close off these doors, block out the light, shut the blinds, you'd have tons of privacy in here. But once again, you can open them up as well and kind of leave this area free flowing and you would get lots of light in here. And then as we step into your bedroom, you'll see you do have a ceiling fan. Once again, really high ceilings. I would probably put a queen bed here with 2 nightstands. And then when we flip around, you do see that you have a cable outlet here. So you can mount your TV on this wall, maybe put a credenza underneath it, whatever might, dress up your home however you would like. You have your closet through here. It is carpeted, so that is where the wood vinyl plank flooring breaks up. And you also do have ceramic tile in there as well in the bathroom. But in here, you have lots of shelving options, so you can put your shoes here, lots of room for your laundry baskets or extra storage, whatever you might need. And then in here is your bathroom. Once again, the ceramic plank tile flooring right here makes for perfect cleanup. If you've ever spilled anything on a bathroom floor and it's been wood, you know the struggle of getting it up. So I love this, it's easy. You can run a Swiffer wet jet right through it and have no problem. In here, you do have a shower head and then also a large tub with the white subway tile backsplash. You do have a single sink vanity here, but we see that continuation of the black quartz countertops, lots of storage underneath. And once again, if you want to lock off this bathroom and make it personal just for you, you could easily do that right there. So we just finished looking at the bathroom. We're gonna head out onto the balcony right here. And I love this balcony. It is a gorgeous day out, and you get to see how large this balcony is right here. You do have lots of space, so if you wanted to put like plants out here or maybe a nice chair for you to relax on, you have that option. There's tons of room, and you also get this gorgeous view. And you are overlooking our courtyard down here, but as you can see, it is very quiet. Absolutely beautiful. That is gonna wrap up our S4 home here at Scott Crossing in Decatur. If you're interested, like I said, there's a blue option, but this black one is also available right now. Head over to our website for some more information, livescottcrossing.com.